Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. I'm so excited you guys stopped by today because today is the very first video in my holiday videos for this season of 2021. I did a little shopping because I wanted to add a few new things into the mix this year for my holiday decor. So I'm excited to share with you both a Home Goods and a Hobby Lobby Christmas decor haul. I'm so excited, you guys. I found some really cool things. As always, I'm looking for traditional items that I can add to my Christmas collection of decor that I can use year after year. And also, I love it if I can find things that are vintage inspired or reproduction items of, you know, older vintage ornaments, decor, all that kind of stuff. So I was excited to hit both marks. I found some great things that I think are very traditional looking, and I've also found some great reproduction items, which I'm excited to share with you guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's haul. So we're going to start at Home Goods today. I picked up 3 things at Home Goods that is Christmas related, and I think they are so cute. The first one is the most vintage inspired of all the items that I picked up. It was $3.99, and it is a set of gift boxes. There's 5 of them, you know, for like shirts or robes or, you know, that kind of thing. I love getting cute little boxes that I just, you know, put some ribbon around, add a tag or a little embellishment, and I don't even have to gift wrap it. So I'm always on the lookout for cute ones, and they had these ones right here. Look at this. It's a set of 5, and look at the graphics on this. Isn't it adorable? I just think these are so cute. Now I'm trying to remember, I am pretty sure that this pattern is the same pattern that if you watched my channel a couple of years ago, I found some wrapping paper at Home Goods that had this same design, and I just love it. I mean, the little Santa Claus, the snowman, the little reindeer with the wrapping paper that I found. I actually cut these little squares out and made little ornaments out of them. I think they turned out super duper adorable. I absolutely love them. And then I used them last year. I plan to use them again this year. And I just think they're so cute. So if you can't find the wrapping paper, because I couldn't find the wrapping paper, I could only find these little boxes. You could do the same thing with this, and I think it would be so adorable. I will link that video down below in case you are interested in that and all. But I thought those ornaments turned out super cute. Love these boxes. I am going to be so excited to use those. There's only 5 of them though. So I'm going to have to pick and choose who gets one of my cutesy little vintage boxes. Alright, so the next thing I picked up at Home Goods was a pillow. I don't really need any more pillows, but I saw these little miniature pillows and I thought, oh, how adorable are those? And they had so many different designs, but I saw this one and I absolutely fell in love with it because it has that vintagey look that I love, and it looks like this. It was $12.99, and isn't it gorgeous? I fell in love with this gorgeous beading. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? I'm loving the dark red velvet, the gold trim, and then of course the beautiful beading. So I think this will go very nicely with other pillow covers that I have. The backgrounds are white with, you know, the colors on it. So this is a slightly different than that, and I think the contrast will look really nice. And of course, I'm in love with the poinsettia, so I was drawn to that. When it comes to iconic, like Christmas, I don't know, shapes or graphics, 2 that come to mind right away for me are the poinsettias and the candles. Like on the old vintagey, like linens and things like that, you always see linens with the poinsettias on it, and like the Christmas candles. I love both of those. So this fits right into my decor very nicely. So I was super excited to pick that up for $12.99. So then I picked up one more thing at Home Goods. I was in need of a Christmas scented candle, and I didn't want something that was really overpowering. So I decided to go with this one right here. It's called Holiday Joy. It's a blend of fir needles, amber wood with a hint of mint, and it is in this beautiful red jar with a wood lid, and then it has I've already lit it. It smells amazing. It's like slightly Christmassy, but not like in your face Christmassy. You know what I mean? It's so good. It smells like freshness, like fresh Christmas, if that makes sense at all. But it also has the, what do you call it? The wood wicks, which I think is kind of fun. So this was $14.99, and I decided I would pick that up. This would look really cute with a candle or a wreath around it on like a table or a side table. I think that would be really cute and very classic. So loving that. I also went to Target the other day. I don't go to Target very often, but I had some time to kill. Thought I would stop in, see if they had their Christmas stuff up. They didn't have much of it up. They were just putting it up. But in the dollar section, or the dollar, I don't know, you know, the little section in the front of the store, they did have about half of their stuff out. And I saw these adorable stockings, so I had to pick them up. They are white and red, and I absolutely love them. Look at this cute little pom-pom, and the top of it just reminds me so much of like vintage Christmas sweaters, you know? So they were $3 each, so I picked up 2 of them. So that brings me to Hobby Lobby. I went just yesterday, and all of the Christmas decor, Christmas florals, everything Christmassy was 50% off. So, oh, Quinn is already eating things. Delightful. All right, get down, honey. So first off, traditional things that I'm always looking for to add to my collection of Christmas decor is greenery. It is hard to find greenery that actually looks real and kind of nice, do you know what I mean? That I can either use by itself or I can mix with real stuff. So I'm always on the lookout for things like that. And I found some really nice looking branches. They were originally, how much are they? $4.99. So it was 50% off. So basically everything that I picked up at Hobby Lobby was 50% off the price that I'm going to share with you, okay? So I picked up this branch right here. A nice stem branch. It's got like 3 branches to it. And I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's like a wispy kind of evervite sort of look to it. And it's got these little berries on it, which I thought was really fun. So I really liked how this looked. So I went ahead and I picked up 4 stems of them. And look at this, when you just put them all together by itself, it looks so realistic. So I'm loving that for sure. I may go back and get some more of this stuff because I am loving it. And I think that it's gonna really drape nicely. It's like off the side of a mantle or something like that. It'll drape off nicely. So I think that would be a nice thing to have for sure in my in my repertoire of things of greenery. So then I was looking at the ornaments, and I always like to pick up a few new special ornaments, whether to use on my tree or just somewhere random like in bowls, that sort of thing. And I found these ones. These are by Robert Stanley. They were $11.99 originally, and they look like this. And I love the shape of these. I think they are so cool. They had a couple different versions. They had this darker, more silvery type of mercury glass. They also had more of a clear mercury glass, and then they also had ones that looked a little more gold toned than the silver toned. But of course I went with the silver tone because I thought that was classic. And I've got other things that are the mercury glass and the silver, so I thought that would go nicely when and where I decide to use those. So I'm loving those. I think those are absolutely gorgeous, and I like that they're slightly oversized, which is kind of fun. Oh my gosh, seriously, she is after everything that I picked up. So I was also looking for things that I could use to stick into wreaths to kind of update some of the ones that I already have. And I found some cute little picks, originally at 99 cents. And this just seems so classic to me. It's the basic holly berries with the little holly leaves. And I think it is so cute. Comes on its nice long stem so that I can tuck it into an evergreen wreath or, you know, wherever I want. They would look really cute as package toppers too. So I picked up, I think I picked up 5 of these. Yeah. I picked up a total of 5 of these. So I thought those were really cute. I plan to add them to a wreath because I think that is really cute, along with some pine cones, and I think that would really, like, you know, kind of update a wreath that I've had around for a long time. So, and then since I was on the berry trend, I also got 2 bunches of these berries right here. These were originally $5.99, and I liked that these look very real. And they're not like sugar coated and not like plastic looking. They've got maybe that, you know, a little bit more realistic look to them. So, like I said, I picked up 2 bunches of those. I'm not quite sure. The dogs are fighting over a bone today. Rama pulled a bone out of like the chair back there, over here. But hey, no, 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 no. No, no. So I picked up 2 bunches of those. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to use these yet, but I'm sure that I'll figure it out. And I may break them up into smaller pieces. I may use them just clumped together like this. Not quite sure, but I'll figure it out. And I thought they looked more realistic than any of the other berries that I actually have in my stash right now. So I was pretty thrilled about that, because I like to add the little red touches. You guys know that already. So then I was looking at the ornaments, and I found some really cute vintage inspired ornaments that I think are just adorable. They were $2.99 each, and I picked up 3 of them. They are adorable. It looks like this. They're like little cardstock kind of ones, and they have these cute little designs on it. This one has got the sleigh with a little reindeer on it. And then this one is so sweet. It's got a little deer, and he's having his little antlers decorated by the girls that are dressed up like angels. I think that's so adorable. And then we've got a classic looking one with a Santa, and it looks like this. It's got Santa and then a little reindeer. So I thought those were really cute. Those will go on my tree, and I go nicely with my other sort of, you know, vintagey things. So then I picked up 2 more ornaments, and I'm so in love with these. They were $3.99 each, and I think they are awesome. They're little miniature bottle brush wreaths, and it's got a little Santa in it. It's nicely flocked. It's got the traditional colors of the green, the gold, and the red beads in it, and it's got the little red bow. Absolutely love that. So I picked up 2 of these because I think they're awesome. And then at the very other end of the ornament aisle, I found another wonderful ornament, which I picked up 3 of. And these were originally $3.99. And these are, once again, you guys, I love these so much, little miniature bottle brush wreaths. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so in love with this. So I picked up 3 of these. And I don't think I'm going to use these on my tree. I'm going to try to use them in some other way. I'm not really sure how. Maybe in conjunction with a stocking, or I don't really know. I don't really know, but I just absolutely love them. And have decided, once I found this one, that this is my color scheme this year. I'm going with the green. I always use the red, and I normally use silver, but I'm going to try to use gold. I'm going to add in the green, and I'm going to go totally retro with my color scheme and just use all the colors. And I think that would be really fun. So, like I said, picked up 3 of these ornaments. Alright, so I have 2 more items to share with you, but actually I have 4 items to share with you, but they're multiples. They had bottle brush trees, you guys, and of course I could not resist them. They match the wreath perfectly. So I picked up 2 of the large ones. They're originally $19.99, but they were 50% off. So I bought 2 of the big ones, and I bought 2 of the small ones. And I am in love, totally in love. These were originally $7.99. So now I have a big one and a little one, and I have 2 of each. So I'm super duper excited about that. I am in love with these. They actually had some bottle brush trees in, like, I think pink, like the smaller ones, and like pink, and maybe like a real pale blue. But like I said, I'm going for the traditional colors, so I picked those up. And I'm so excited to use them. I am in love with them so much. So, all right, my friends. So that is going to be it for me today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me and letting me share with you all of my new goodies. I love making videos like this. If you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up. And, of course, subscribe if you have not already done so. I would love to know down in the comments which of the items I picked up today was your personal favorite. All right, guys. Have yourself a great day, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.